Hey friends, if your firewall or antivirus is blocking VPN on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's what you need to understand. Basically, a lot of third-party VPNs are flagged by Windows security and the firewall, and there's a reason for it. But if you really trust the VPN, then here's what you can do. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to the what do we say, virus and threat protection tab, and then scroll down and click on manage settings. Scroll down and click on exclusions. Okay, and click on add an exclusion, and then you can click on you can click on what do we say, file, and select the executable file of the VPN. I don't use external third-party VPNs, that's why I don't have them. And as for firewall, search for Windows Defender Firewall and click on it, and then select this one, add an exception to it. So click on this option here, allow an app or feature through the firewall. Now search for the VPN app in this list, and then click on these two checkboxes. Like we have two checkboxes of Windows Media Player. Click on these two checkboxes and check it for both public and the private network, and then click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.